Hello everyone. Welcome to Back Tech Kingo. In today's video, I will show you the best digital level protractor inclinometer. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. Product features. Lightweight and portable design. Made from durable plastic, the device is lightweight and easy to control with one hand. Its portability ensures you can take it anywhere without hassle. 2 measuring modes. This inclinometer offers both absolute angle and relative angle measurement modes, giving you flexibility in various tasks. Switching between modes is straightforward, ensuring ease of operation. Unit conversion. With the angle/slope conversion key, you can quickly toggle between units, making it convenient for users with different preferences or requirements. Data hold function. The hold button allows you to freeze the current measurement value on the display. This feature is particularly helpful when working in challenging positions or tight spaces. Automatic power off. To save battery life, the device powers off automatically after 3 minutes of inactivity, ensuring efficiency and longer usage. Built-in magnets. The powerful magnets embedded in the device allow it to attach securely to metal surfaces like miter saws, bandsaws, and table saw blades, providing hands-free operation. Large LCD with backlight. The bright LCD screen with a backlight ensures clear readings even in dark or low-light environments, making it ideal for all working conditions. Rechargeable with Type-C port. Equipped with a modern Type-C charging port, the device is rechargeable and convenient to power up wherever you are, eliminating the need for disposable batteries. Pros. Highly portable. Lightweight design makes it easy to carry and use on the go. Versatile measuring modes. Absolute and relative angle modes offer flexibility for a variety of tasks. Convenient unit conversion. Quick switching between angle and slope simplifies measurements. Hands-free operation. Strong magnets allow secure attachment to tools, improving usability. Clear readings anytime. The backlit LCD ensures visibility even in dim environments. Energy efficient. Automatic power off extends battery life. Rechargeable. Type-C charging is convenient and eco-friendly. User-friendly. Intuitive controls and a data hold function make it accessible for all skill levels. Cons. Plastic build. Although lightweight, the plastic construction might feel less durable compared to metal alternatives. Limited battery life. Frequent charging might be necessary for heavy users. Not waterproof. The device is not rated for water resistance, so care must be taken in wet environments. Magnets limited to metal surfaces. While the magnets are strong, they only work on ferrous materials, which could limit usage in certain situations. Final thoughts. The SHE 5347 Digital Level Protractor Inclinometer is an excellent tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Its combination of portability, accuracy, and user-friendly features makes it a standout choice for measuring angles and slopes. The built-in magnets and backlit display add to its practicality, while the rechargeable battery and automatic power-off enhance its convenience. However, the plastic build and lack of water resistance might not make it ideal for rugged or outdoor use. Despite these minor drawbacks, the SHE 5347 delivers impressive value for its price, especially for those prioritizing precision and ease of use. If you're looking for a reliable, versatile, and modern inclinometer, this one is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you're interested in the SHE 5347 Digital Level Protractor Inclinometer, check the price link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Tech Kingo for more in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.